Stainless steel faucets have become a recognized trend in the sanitary ware industry. Yet corrosion, deformation, water leakage due to fracture, uneven weld seams are four persistent industry-wide pain points, often cause overseas supply chain disruptions, soaring after-sales costs, and even damage your international reputation. Oubao Sanitary Ware breaks through these bottlenecks with its core technology. We perform solution treatment through a continuous high-temperature annealing furnace. This optimizes the material structure internally and solves problems at the root. 4 core quality upgrades. No carbon deposit residues on the surface. Strengthened deformation resistance. Achieved smooth and uniform welds. Significantly enhanced rust resistance. Ultimately, this helps reduce 80% of your after-sales costs. It builds a solid, long-term quality defense for your overseas supply chain.